Alright, I'm here with my brand new Champion generator, model 40730, 4250 watt surge, 3650 continuous. Got my kids here for the first fire up. I got a, oh, you know, it's only 11 amp. I thought it was a 14 amp. I got 11 amp breaker hammer. It's like a small jackhammer. I'm going to put a bigger load on it pretty soon here, but this will be the first start. Get back, guys. Not even going to set the choke. Oh, it's already on. Actually, it came with the choke set, so maybe I will just leave that. Valves on. Wow. First pull. That's amazing. It's actually quieter than I thought it would be. I'm sure on the camera it sounds really loud. Seems like every generator video I see that people say that it's quieter than they thought it would be, but it's really not that bad.